Hey guys, welcome back to the Vera Project. So I've been getting a lot of requests on how to actually press with vinyl and with heat transfer. So today I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do it on a hat. A lot of the requests are coming through has to do with the hat. And it has a little bit of its challenges because of its curve appeal. And I'll show you how to go ahead and work through those challenges. So now I'm going to go ahead and take you to the design software for us to go ahead and print out the vinyl logo that was sent over to me.
Okay guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to open up the Cricut design space and look for that logo that we're going to go ahead and place on the hat itself. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to create a new project. You're going to click on upload. Since I've already uploaded the SVG, I'm going to go ahead and select it. Okay, go ahead and insert. It's a pretty large image, so what I would suggest is to come down here, kind of zoom out a little bit to about 25%, and I come back to 100, and the size is going to be 4 inches by 2 inches. Now, something I've learned with time is that what you're going to want to do is if you don't go ahead and click on the image and right click and click attach, what's going to happen is when you click on print, it's going to go ahead and compile it and place it all on top of each other like it's doing here. It's scattered everywhere. So what you're going to want to do is select the image, click attach, so it creates that outline for you. And now when you actually click on make it, you notice here that it's actually displaying the correct image itself. Now, the other thing you're going to want to make sure is that you click on mirror. You need it to print as a mirror because when you place it on the garment, the hat, or whatever it is that you're going to place it, you want to make sure that it's readable the right way. So you're going to go ahead, press continue. It automatically finds your Cricut machine, and you want to make sure that you switch the dial in the machine itself to vinyl, and then just follow the instructions here and you're all set. Alright guys, so I got that Cricut board and I went ahead and I put the piece of vinyl on here, and as you see here, it's made it a little bit longer. It's up to 3 inches by 12 because that's the size that it comes in, right? This is also the material that I get, the heat transfer vinyl, and I typically get the 12 feet by 15 inches. 12 inches by 15 feet. Okay, and it comes like this in a roll. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and place the board there. Okay, as you see here now, it's fully on there. So what we're gonna do is gonna press C. So now that it's complete, you're gonna go ahead and eject it, and that part is done. Okay guys, so I got out the printout. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the paper, and what you're gonna want to do is you want to go ahead and start removing it from the corner. Okay, so you're gonna go slow. You can start seeing the outline. Okay, what I typically do is grab a scissor and cut off the extra here. Okay, there you go. And this is the part that's challenging. It's really removing the part that that gives it the outline. So sometimes it's good to have the picture in front of you, in front of the camera. As you see here,
See how that all came out smoothly? Okay. Do the same thing over here. And take your time, because you don't want the little numbers to come out. Right? So just be patient. Don't pull too hard. Alright, so you see this is how it looks. And we're gonna go ahead and I'll show you how that would look on the hat. See how it's gonna look. So now what we're gonna go ahead and do is put it on the press. Okay, so what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna grab your hat and place it on the press for hats. Okay, I already went ahead and replaced this piece here that's typically for shirts that's flat, and I placed it with more of a rounded one in order to place a hat and do that press. So I go ahead, I place the hat here. Okay, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to make sure that that's there evenly, so when you press it, it absorbs it with the heat. Okay, like I said, it has its challenges because it is kind of like an oval, right? So what we're waiting right now is we're waiting for the machine to get to the temperature that it needs to be. Okay guys, so we're pressing right now. Put the hat in, pressed it, got to 355 degrees, and we're done. Okay, move that out of the way. This is how it's looking so far. Now we're just gonna let it dry for a little bit, meaning cool off, and then we'll peel it. We'll see how it looks. All right guys, so this is pretty much what it's looking like right now. Came out very well. And that's how you go ahead and use vinyl with the heat press to put on a hat. Well, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.